Hi everyone, welcome you all to another video of Dynamics 365 Business Central. So in this video, we are going to talk about default Power BI reports. I know most of the Business Central users, even the Business Central consultants also don't know we have default Power BI reports in Business Central, which means you don't need to spend much more money for the Power BI report. We have some reports in Business Central which will give you some important informations about the company, about the business. Right, let's see how we have to set up this Power BI report, because this setup can be done by users even. This channel is user friendly like that. So let's see how we have to set up. So before going to setup, let me show you how I how system showing you the finance reports. When we are talking about the Power BI report, we have different Power BI reports in Business Central: finance report, sales Power BI report, purchase Power BI report, and inventory, manufacturing, and sustainability. So when you are set up those Power BI reports, you just have to download application. That application is totally free. Then you'll have to set up that. So before going to set up, let's see how this finance reports Power BI report available in Business Central. So as I search as a finance reports, I'm getting this Power BI report with different kind of visualizations. So I have financial overview. If I go to the liquidity capabilities, I have current ratio calculations, current assets, fixed ratio calculations, cash ratio calculations. Other than that, EBITDA calculations, average collection period, kind of very informative details available. Especially this will be helpful for the CXOs when they are getting decision about their business. Right. Let's see how we can set up Power BI reports. For that, we have to search as Power BI connector setup. Once I go to the Power BI connect setup, in this table, I'm getting like this. So we have to link that environment. Then after that, we'll have to do setup table configuration setup. Then if you are using finance Power BI reports, you'll have to install Power BI finance application, and you have to set up here. If you want to use sales Power BI report, you have to download sales application. But it that app download option is also simply available in this table. You can see here, install Power BI apps for Business Center documentations. So once you click on it, you are directly going to this Microsoft document. In that Microsoft document, you have links to download those applications. If you want to download finance, sales, purchasing, inventory valuation, manufacturing, and projects. So those links available here. So let's set up for the inventory. So I'll click on this inventory link. Once I click on it, I'm directly going to that app source. In that app source, we have Power BI inventory report. So it's totally free. Once I click on get it now, I can download this application into the Business Center. So it takes like 10 to 20 seconds. So after that, you can download it to your Business Central environment and see the report. So it takes small time. Let's wait a bit. Yes, install it. Okay, still installing. So let's say it not take much time. Less than 1 minute it will take based on your connection. So yes, still downloading. So, however, those informations, Power BI informations comes to reports based on the information available, based on the transaction you post. Right. Download has been completed. Let's see. Now I'm going to this inventory report fast tab, and here I'm going to select report which I have downloaded. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one I have downloaded. So from here I'm selecting this one, inventory application I want to use. Right. Now I have done all the setup. It's simple as that. Let's search as the inventory reports. Right here you can see inventory reports. Once I click on that inventory reports, I'm getting Power BI reports for inventories. So let me expand it bit. Okay, I got my inventory report. Yeah, you can see. Zoom in. Right. This is the inventory overview, total quantity, scheduled receipts, planned order receipts, gross requirement, likewise different informations, inventory by item you can see, Power BI report. So if you want to filter this, we have filter options as well for the period wise. Based on their field, you can filter whatever information you want, and locate inventory by locations. You have some comprehensive reports, item availability, and gross requirements. Likewise, there are a lot of Power BI reports. So simply you just have to download that applications to your business central environment, and you have to do setup in the that connector setup, Power BI connector setup. That's what you have to do. You will get very informative Power BI report through the Business Central. So hence that you don't need to spend much more for the Power BI report hereafter if you're a Business Central user. So very user friendly and very helpful system. So let's meet up with another new feature video.